In this beginner's lesson, we will learn how to add a raster layer using Python in ArcGIS Pro. First, open your ArcGIS Pro, then go to Insert and click New Notebook. This will open a Jupyter notebook environment. Here we can write our Python codes. This is the code we will use to import our raster. First, we make a variable named raster path, and here we provide the path to our image. To copy the path, go to the folder where your image is, and then right click on your image and click copy as path. Now go to the ArcGIS Pro and press Ctrl V to paste. Using this R, we make the string as a raw string so that you will not get any character escape error like /. Using this line, we access the current ArcGIS Pro project. In the next line from ArcGIS current project, we select the currently active map. Active map refers to currently selected map in ArcGIS Pro project. And finally, to add the raster to our map, we use this code. This add data from path function takes one parameter. Here we need to pass our raster path, and then it will load the raster as a visible layer in our map. Let's run the code. We can see that our raster is loaded, but since this is satellite image, it has multiple bands. To make it look like true color, we need to go to symbology and select the correct bands. For this image, red band is band 3 and green is band 2 and blue is band 1. Now the image is visualized with correct bands, but we can enhance this image visualization using stretch type standard deviation, and maybe 3 standard deviation is good for true color images. That's it. The image now looks like the real RGB image. Thanks for watching.